It is a beautiful, sunny 44 degrees in southern Ontario, and look at my snow is melting. What? I got some green stuff in here. Oh, I don't know if that's doing so good in there. Nope. This one's completely covered in water, but still green. Oh, yep. A few things coming up here. Oh, that's exciting. Huh, Dax? That's exciting. We got some green stuff in the yard. So this thing is doing its job. Look at that. Got parsley. Oh, parsley's still alive. It's doing good. This kale's not looking great, but I don't think it's dead yet. Anything else? Oh my goodness, these are onions from last year. I guess I missed one. That's coming up. Looks like someone's been chewing on that. Here's my thyme. It's doing good. And well, that's how the garden's looking in February, which is actually pretty cool. Especially it's been pretty cool. And look at this. Right here, Dexter. We have a pretty little bloom off of our star flower from last year. Sweet Williams, they stay green. So this is definitely not the last of the snow for the year. We will definitely be getting more snow, more freezing temperatures in March and April. Right, Dex? No, sorry. Oh, we're getting there. Yeah. Today is just, honestly, today is giving me major spring fever. Like, this is amazing. It's beautiful. Spring's coming. We've got a few more months, but